my views, my expressions. Sila eThekwini namhlanje ukuzobona Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. But ngibasa intshebe yekhosi. So my surprise ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukubona ikhosi egemini yeSundowns.
Sanibonani. Mina kuthi ngibelana eThekwini ngize ngekhosi. Bengila eMabhida besibulala abantu izolo. So namhlanje kuthi ngize la kwaAce ngizobukela umdlalo weSundowns nePirates. Kuthi mfethu ayikho into bengifisa ukufana nalento eyenzekile.
Awuva ufuna idraw?
Bengifuna idraw.
Why?
Angithi idraw mfethu iyasiza nathi ukuthi masibulela ileague. Mawulela ileague ngeke ufise kulama team awu2 eyi1 ibe neadvantage. Wangi-understand? Yeah, that's why bengifisa ukuthi ibe nedraw.
Parizwe utshweza kabi uma iSundowns ishaya igoli lapha ngadideka ukuthi hawu kanti ikhosi lingakephi manje.
Wazi kabi ngifuna uniqamba manga. Angithi isiwethu rivals. Bawu2. iPirates esidala sithanda thina makhosi. But iSundowns sewina ama-league isikhathi esiningi. Wabo. So support iSundowns iPirates kancane but idraw yasebenzela singamakhosi.
All the best. Ibonile na izolo ukuthi awushaya kamnandi ngama last minutes and bese wonke umuntu eseworried ku Durban City.
Wabona inhliziyo cishe yama sikase baskora leya offside mfethu wabona lapha bese sithi ayisekuphelile.
Asukuma mabhabha kajabulile.
Hey asukuma mabhabha kajabulile. Ayi ndoda. Wazi ngoba iChristmas maqeda ukuwina ngoba iChristmas.
Lo siyabonga kakhulu Nkosi.
Sibonga lewe iThekwini siphethe kamnandi thina abantu basibuye egoli siyabonga bafethu.
SiseThekwini, this is my views, my expressions. Isikhathi kubona Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. The teams share the sports. But manga siqala la ngibona ikhosi, ngibona ibhakabhaka ngazi ukuthi bekwenzakalani. Ikhosi belingakephi namhlanje.
Bafona namhlanje thina besizile njengabantu abathanda ibhola.
Alright.
Njengoba sizile singabantu abathanda ibhola besithanda nje yabona lo kwenzeka namhlanje mina vele bokuyisifiso sami ngoba boyithuba yangishiya. So mina bengithanda ukuthi abakhe bangirelax kancane ngisondele nami. Ngithola isikhathi ngoba manje ngiyabona ukuthi vele makuzowina iPirates izongishiya. Makuzowina iSundowns izongishiya. So ku right makunje. Mina ngithanda ukubonga ukuthi iPirates neSundowns ngiyenze draw. Ebengiyifisa ngenhliziyo yami yonke. So bafethu mina ngalawo magama ngithanda ukuthi ezami kancane sizophumelela nathi sofika la bakhona.
Ngiyasondela. Sho, nani bhakabhaka lithini bhakabhaka uyibona kanjani le draw? Nawe neSundowns sondela Sundowns.
Ayingiphathanga neze kahle.
Kanjani manje? Away from home.
Abantu mathi umuphuthu bahlanganise bonke neChiefs.
Away from home at least uthola ipoint. Let me something.
Akubalwa lokho. Sinama wins kuphela. Bekufuneka siqhube ngalowo line loyo. Sibashaye bonke. Abeze nabo labo sibathele nduku.
Futhi ngicathelele. Elokugcina engingalisho ukuthi njengoba ngithi mina ngithanda ukubonga le draw eyenzeke namhlanje. Ngoba bazowina bathi bashaye iSundowns bashaya neChiefs. Iwin iSundowns ithi shaye iPirates yashaya neChiefs. So angazi manje bazothini. Mina bazongifaka ngoba bebazongifaka iwin yabo newin yePirates.
Ubucula den leader la.
Ngeke cula leSundowns.
Friday
Sanibona bafethu. But kunenqawla. Njengamanje sikhuluma ngeSundowns bedlala nePirates. Kaizer Chiefs yesidlalile imidlalo ezolo sabonga bawinile although bahlula Durban City but regarding game yeSundowns Pirates asiyekele oldo Kaizer Chiefs
Winning.
Yeah, but the Pirates asibencane ngeChiefs.
Let's talk about
appreciate a lot first badlale kahle kakhulu but ke they don't have chances. They didn't create any chances. Yes, Sundowns scored first. Okhombisa khona ukuthi there was a home team game. So Pirates game
but
it was a good game.
When as a Sundawana, when as a Sundawana, are you happy in the second half in Mamelodi Sundowns? Because from where I was standing, I saw Orlando Pirates in the second half. Orlando Pirates, Sundowns was nowhere to be seen on the second half.
Yeah, Sundowns didn't perform well in the second half. Besmaka kakhulu but the Pirates was the one attacking. But
that showed which both of these teams that one quality kakhulu, but the Pirates is a good team. I won't lie to you. But Nigeli challenge, it was a whole game. I'm proud for my team. Good back for the first goal. The Pirates is fun. But it's a game of football. You can expect anything. More especially these both two teams. You should expect anything. If it's a game of football, anything can come around.
All right. Pakane sizohamba mase sibuye esibili ibheke Orlando. Uthini ke mase se Orlando? Ipare iSundowns uyanikezwe ipoint noma Orlando ayiphumi nalo.
Sibashaya lapho. Sibathela induku.
Sisethekwini sikwa Ace Butchery siqeda kubona Mamelodi Sundowns ibhekene neOrlando Pirates. It was a 1-1. Our hopes were very high for Mamelodi Sundowns maybe to win the game because they are playing at home, but that could not be the case. Ubone kanjani umdlalo lesendaweni?
Hey, I'm a bit disappointed with how we play. Yeah, I think we should take the advantage of playing at home. It's a league, and then Pirates totally form, of which Nati format should be a little bit higher. But now I'm a bit disappointed with how we play. I understand. Look, for example, like Sitola a corner, 10 players, they're in the box. For what? What must Toli Pola counter attack? How do you initiate a counter attack? If 10 players back with box, and then the guy with Toli Pola he shoots, it's a goal. Then we have a problem.
So what would you say is the issue? What tactic do you want, or do you still believe in the coach, or you're just like others? Coach Cardoso.
I think Cardoso will send a Scotty City kakhulu. Up until now, I mean, angisazi style sakhe ukudlala. Angisunderstand. So I think say Toli Tuba elanele. I don't think there's anything he can do for the team up to so far or in the future. So ngalokho nje hayi ngigrand mina ngalo.
Usomnanda safuna bona lutho.
No.
With him at the bench, do you see Mamelodi Sundowns ibuya kwesingamamenzela isigodi?
I don't think so. Pirates at home bayenza noma yini. Like these guys, they are motivated. You could see that they are motivated. And secondly, they have a 12 men behind. Pirates mayidlale Orlando. Now abalandeli bayagcwala. So at home kwesingamamenzela kuzoba nzima kakhulu because ayikho into esidlalayo. Akamdlalisanga umkhulisi last week. Besidlala igame yeCAF esi-obvious ukuthi siwinile. Akamintroduce uMaseko, akamintroduce umkhulisi, but today in a crucial game yabathathu uzobadlalisa in this big game. Then what are you expecting?
Somebody said ukuthi leya sub emkhulisi uMaseko, those subs nje siwabone sephuthuma, like there was no plan. It was like just get inside and do what you can do.
Which is true. Manje uMaseko ungenile but akalithintanga ibhola. So those things now uyazibuza ukuthi uzolithinta elithola kudlala abantu, because right now you don't understand ukuthi you can't even break the lines, like sesiyadlala nje just for the sake of play. There are moments whereby you see ukuthi kunama spaces whereby you should be occupying and breaking those lines to move the ball into the final third, but you don't do that. Umbokazi didn't do much today. You understand? Akanzanga that much, like Pili Pirates, like so for me sibanikeza that form abafana by Pirates.
Last one from me. Do you think Santos is a proper replacement for Ribeiro?
I can't really say much on that because I don't believe in an individual player. I believe what you can contribute on the team. We once had CPD, Sabano Pesita, but you still managed to go on. Repairs because the team be valiant. So now Santos must come in and contribute what he can on the team. I don't think he's a replacement. I don't believe he's a replacement. I just believe Tenin was about and contribute what we can.
Hi, well done, Sandawan. Unfortunately, you couldn't get all 3 points, but a point or something.
So disappointing.